is Sarah from Sarahswifestyle, and today I have a great video coming your guys' way. You guys know I always show you guys what I purchase, and I give you guys reviews on all of that stuff. So check this out. I have partnered with Fabfitfun for this video, okay you guys? So this is super exciting because I'm so excited really to try these products, and I actually already have. So I wanted to go ahead and show you what's inside of this box. If you guys don't know about Fabfitfun, which I mean, who doesn't? This is a huge brand. They give out seasonal subscription boxes, okay? So they are $49 every single season. So you're not gonna have to worry about paying that every single month. This is a seasonal box, okay? But guess what? I have something special for you guys. If you guys decide to try this subscription service out, you are gonna get your first box for $39 using my code Wifestyle, which I will have it below for you guys, just in case you guys forget, okay? So it's Wifestyle. And the great thing about Fabfitfun is that you are getting to try all of these full size, yes, full size, not no travel, okay? Full size products for $49, okay? So this box retails for about $200 to $250, actually even over that, depending on what type of items you have in your box, but you're only getting it for $49. So really you're saving a lot of money. And a lot of us, I know I can admit that I have this problem because I'm a licensed esthetician, and if I find a product that works, it's like I don't try other products. It's weird, like I get stuck on it, but this will allow me to try other products that'll make me more open to it because I'm definitely saving money trying the products out of here, and there is some good ones in here, okay? So Fabfitfun is awesome. They're all about women empowerment. So this is a very great company. They're eco-friendly, and you guys will truly love this. I know that if somebody's gonna offer me some full-size products to try out, like I'm gonna love it. So the fact that they offer that is amazing, okay? So let's see what's inside of here. So now that you guys actually seen like a full picture of what's in there, I'm gonna go over the items one by one and show you guys a little bit about what's going on, okay? I'm also gonna tell you the price of each item because I want you guys to know exactly how much it would be. So the good thing about Fabfitfun is that you can actually customize some of the products in your box that you receive. You can go in there and choose some of them, which is awesome. I mean, who doesn't want to be able to have a choice of what they receive in their subscription packages? So definitely keep that in mind. You don't have to be stuck with that. You can choose certain items to go ahead and put in there. So I'm going to tell you how much each item is, okay? So let's go ahead and start off because I know this would be like a big deal. A Michael Kors wallet, you guys. Look at that. How nice is this? This is great if you're on the go, if you want to throw it in a diaper bag. I know I have a lot of mommies on this channel. So yeah, this is legit Michael Kors, and I actually love this print as well. Like, it's so cute. You can actually put a passport in here, driver's license, view card, super easy. So this retails at $78. So another thing is, if you want to buy the items, like let's say you didn't get an item in your subscription box that you really wanted, you can go and still buy the item from Fabfitfun. And the good thing about that is, and you'll receive this magazine, right? So in the magazine, you will be able to see all of the products that they have for the summer box, and you'll be able to see how much they are, okay? So like I said, the Michael Kors is $78, so you already know. We travel a lot, so that's perfect for our passport and everything like that, okay? So this is a charging pad, you guys. So basically you could charge it up, okay, with this little thing right here. Take it wherever you go. Like I said, we travel a lot, and I can actually take this to work as well. So what I would do, charge it up, take it with me, super lightweight, stick your phone on here, boom, charged. Easy. You don't have to plug it into a wall, nothing. It's easy to go. So, and actually I really love this print too. Isn't that cute? Super cute. So the next product is gonna be this facial sunscreen. And you guys know, as an esthetician, like if you're an esthetician, you already get it. Sunscreen is super important for you to put it on your face, your hands, everything, every single day. I don't care if it's gloomy outside. Right now it's gloomy. I have sunscreen on right now. I actually have this one on. And this is amazing because it's a matte finish, right? So for me, I don't really like matte finishes on my face because I have dry skin, but it's okay because I moisturize my skin. But it is plant-based, okay? So this is great, especially if you're vegan. And it's a 30 SPF, which is great. And it's 70% organic, okay? So this is technically, to me, this is a full size, but it's still small enough to put inside of your purse, to put it in your car for the day, whatever it may be, diaper bag. This is amazing. I've already put it on my face, and it actually has like a really clean smell to it. You know how sunscreens can have like that just overpowering scent? This does not. So I actually am very thankful for this. Yes, and this retails at $36. So $36 for this, you guys, 36. So we're saving a lot already as it is, because I don't really know a lot of people that would spend $36 on facial. I mean, I would, because I believe in spending money on good products, but this is amazing. All right, so the next thing that I received is this makeup drop makeup applicator. This has a silicone side, which is pretty cool. Like, I actually like that. And then they have a latex free side. So this is great. You can use this for many ways. This retails for $20. So this is actually really cute. My mom is probably gonna want me to get her one because she loves this kind of stuff. So another thing I'm super excited about is this beach mist, and I love this kind of stuff, you guys. Okay, so this is by the Lifestyle Co. in Los Angeles. So basically this is just a great thing to spray on yourself after you've gotten out of the sun. And out here in Tennessee, it's always, well, not always sunny, it's gloomy, but it's hot, okay? So all day at the pool or lake, this would be great. Let me smell it. Let me smell it in front of you guys, see what it smells like. Okay, this has such a clean smell. This is very lavender mint. Let me see what the fragrance is on here, because I got a good nose. Like lavender, minty, maybe some aloe. Y'all, I was right. I was right. Okay, so it's aloe, mint, and lavender mixture. So if you guys don't know, aloe is amazing for calming, okay? So this is absolutely perfect, and this retails at $42. So this would be great to bring with you just, you know, after the beach, after the lake. And my favorite thing to do is, like, after I get out of the sun, is to come home and just take a nice refreshing shower. Like, amazing, okay? But no, I cannot wait. This will definitely, if you've got a little sunburn coming, spray some of this aloe, because you guys, if you don't know, aloe is amazing for sunburns. During this video, if you guys haven't already noticed, and you guys are about to notice, I'm about to give you guys skin tips. So yes, I am licensed. I don't just call myself an esthetician. I'm gonna give you guys skin tips along with this video. So you guys know I got you. You guys, so listen, hand cream, super important to apply to your hands. So this has shea butter, macadamia seed oil, and argan, one of those oils, and it's coconut. So this is a great size. It's not small by any means. To me, this will last me a long time. I can keep this at my office and my desk. I have severe dry skin, okay? So my hands, everything. So I love to keep my hands moisturized. I moisturize my hands all throughout the day, especially with everything that's going on right now. Washing, using more sanitizer than I typically would, and just being extra cautious. I have to apply even more lotion, but at nighttime, the best thing to do is to, like, right before you go to sleep, grab some of this and just, especially with the coconut oil, because coconut oil is super moisturizing. I mean, I would not put this on your face, okay? I don't believe in putting coconut oil on your face, period. That's a whole nother story, because it clogs your stuff. I have a whole video on that. Let's not even get into that. Anyways, but for your hands, this is absolutely perfect, okay? So I'm super excited about this. Let me smell it. Ooh, nice. See, I don't like things that have like an overpowering scent, if that makes sense. So, did you guys catch that? So that lotion retails at $18, which I do not think is overpriced at all, because I'm gonna be using it all the time, period. So let's get into the next product. Okay, so here's Winky Lux, and it's a brow pencil, and this is awesome. I actually love the name of this, because if you guys don't know, I am also a certified lash artist. So winks and winky, like, that's just something I would hear all the time in that industry. But if you can tell on this brush, it has a side that contains a spoolie, which is great because it allows you to get your brows under control when they get out of control, okay? And then you have the color that comes in, which I actually received a dark brown, and I actually have it on right now for this video. And I already tint my brows as it is, but this just allows some of those areas that maybe I don't have a lot of hair, because nobody has perfect brows, okay? So in certain areas I have like thinning going on, so this is perfect to cover in those areas. So I really do appreciate this, and I can put this in my purse. And this retails for $16. Okay guys, and the last product that I received is this aloe and tea tree toner. As you can see, this is a great size. I'm comparing it to my big old head, and you guys are about to see me using this right now. So I'm gonna give you guys some skin advice right now. If you guys don't know what a toner is, a toner basically helps balance the pH of your skin on your face. So after you cleanse, you don't just wanna put it on, okay? You wanna cleanse, exfoliate, do that stuff first. Then you wanna go ahead and tone your face. It's gonna help calm down the redness. It's gonna get any excess dirt or oils off of your skin, okay? So it's something super important for you guys to have and use in your face washing routine and all of that stuff, okay? After you tone, what you wanna do is you wanna go ahead and apply your moisturizer right after that, okay? Your moisturizer is key, and then followed by your sunscreen only in the day. Use your sunscreen. You don't have to use it at night before you go to sleep. But yes, definitely use your toner twice a day. I'm telling you, it's totally okay to do that. So let's get into the benefits of the tea tree. So if you guys don't know, tea tree is an anti-inflammatory and it has antimicrobial properties, which is great to help keep that skin fresh, keep it clean, okay? And it also calms redness and swelling. And with my type of skin, I definitely do get red, and it definitely helps calm that down. Any type of toner will do this, but I love the fact that it does have tea tree in it. It also contains aloe, which is filled with antioxidants, vitamins A and C, and it's great for treating all types of skin, okay? And it's also an anti-inflammatory. So, you know, after you're cleansing your skin, you notice that it gets a little red, you notice that it's like a little bit inflamed, go ahead and place aloe vera on it and it will help. This product contains both of those in there, so that's actually awesome. So I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I hope that you guys enjoyed the tips that I gave you. And please do not forget to check out Fabfitfun. I will have their website linked down below, along with my code that you guys can use to get your first box for $39. And I want to thank Fabfitfun for partnering as well. And guess what, y'all? This is the end of the video. So I hope you guys enjoy your day, and I will see you guys next video.